Welcome everyone to Horror with Heidi. I have yet another present to share with all of you, and I am so happy to have you join in with me in unboxing it. So my keyboard has been on the fritz for a little while. The volume up and down button kind of stopped working a while ago, right here, these two, which was annoying for me because I use those constantly. Other than that, I feel like the wires are starting to go because every once in a while it'll disconnect on its own, and if I give it kind of a bit of a wiggle, it'll kind of come back on. See, just now it disconnected. So, to my immense delight, when I was out shopping for a new headset, I happened to come across the Razer Cynosa Chroma keyboard. So the reason I was happy to find this was because when I had looked for Razer keyboards before, the one that I usually came across first was the Razer Huntsman, which cost about $200. I was gonna put it off to buy that one on Black Friday when it would be quite a lot cheaper. However, the Cynosa, oddly enough, is even less than half the price of that, and almost as good, I'm sure. This one is not, it's either not mechanical or not fully mechanical, I'm not totally sure. When I spoke with the salesperson, he showed me a mechanical keyboard, and it's one that I don't like the feel of as much. I don't know, maybe that makes me weird. Anyways, I cannot wait to get this open and going because I've been wanting a new keyboard for a long time. Alright, gaming grade keys with soft cushion touch, spill resistant durable design for complete assurance. Wow, I think this is a keyboard that X-Man could use, if you know what I'm saying. Finally got this thing open. Da-da-da. So it doesn't look like much now because it's not plugged in and lighting up like a beautiful rainbow Christmas tree, but that's going to change in a moment. Oh, very careful. There's our manual. It's square this time. It's always rectangle before. Did we get our stickers? No stickers. No stickers. How sad. Alright, so this is completely wrapped up. I'm getting the feeling that this is spill resistant, but possibly not dust resistant. Probably best to keep an air cleaner on hand. There's our keyboard. It looks pretty much like any normal keyboard here. It does feel fairly sturdy. There's our little logo there. And that is our Razer Cynosa Chroma keyboard. It's lovely. Thank you for watching another unboxing video, everyone. And I will see you in the next video.